Baler.
Yeah,
Training in Baler. Yeah,
Yeah.
I heard about that.
So, training in Baler is a beach, pero it's parang ayaw namin pumunta dun. So, nakatutok na
Wow.
sa amin. Baler,
Wait. I'm not letting you go. What happened?
So, it's a deadly training for 1 week. So, Coach Tab is not your friend during that time. During that duration. For 4 days naman. Kasi last day is happy day na. Because it's heaven na for us. Uwi na.
Wow.
So,
Okay.
it's a
Okay.
deadly
So,
training. It's super deadly.
para sa bootcamp, parang short bootcamp na just all out, papatayin kayo ni Coach Tab. Parang
Yeah.
gano'n.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Totoo yun. If tanong nyo sa nila kapag gusto nila pumunta ng mga Baler, yung mga players sa Ateneo, they will say no.
Walang gusto.
Wala.
Yeah, actually, I heard about that famous Baler training camp of Coach Tab. That was a very good for you to share on air so everybody knows that memorable memory.
As a, ano,
Marami yung mga scouts mag-aabang sa Baler. Anong ginagawa ng Ateneo sa Baler?
parang pipigyan ko naman it's like ginaganon kayo. As in, it brings, ano sa inyo, like, it brings something out of you na may ganito ka palang attitude, parang gano'n. Parang hindi mo nakikita sa isang player, makikita mo dun. And at the same time, utak na lang dun yung gumagana, your body.
Ganun ka-intense.
Hindi ganun ka-intense. Okay.
Pero
Ay-
after that siguro,
Sana may tapes? Sana may tapes at makita ko kung ano talaga pinagkagawa nyo doon.
Hindi pwede. Top secret yun.